When you shift into reverse, you see the visuals of the rear side, but can you really trust the distance of those reverse guidelines? Today, I'll show you how to adjust them perfectly, so you can reverse with confidence. Subscribe now and stay with SetNFix. First, you'll need a measuring tape. It's best to use a sturdy one like this. I recommend measuring a distance of 3 feet. So, stretch out the tape like this and lock it in place to ensure the measurement stays accurate. Now, mark the 3-foot point from your reverse camera. To make it more visible, place an object at the end of the measurement. I'm using a plastic bottle to mark the spot. Now, you can manually adjust the reverse camera to align the guidelines correctly. Make sure it's fixed securely and doesn't shift out of place. Once everything is set, your reverse lines will be much more accurate, giving you better control while parking. Now, head to your vehicle and power on the ignition. Shift the gear into reverse and take a look at the screen. You should now see the reverse view along with the yellow bottle I placed as a marker. This helps you verify the accuracy of your reverse guidelines. Now, tap on the screen when the reverse view appears. Then, navigate to the line settings. You'll see 2 styles available. I'll be adjusting style 1. My goal is to align the end of the reverse guideline with the bottom of the yellow bottle. So, let's start by adjusting the width. Once you are satisfied, fine-tune the camera height. These 2 settings are the most crucial for accuracy. Next, you can further refine the lines using additional settings: camera angle, view angle, horizontal offset, and safe distance. The safe distance setting is especially important. If you change it, make sure to remember the new distance for accurate reversing. In addition to the basic adjustments, there are more settings you can fine-tune. These include punctuation numbers, yellow line, green line, track length, and the degree of thickness. While you may not need to adjust every setting, the physical positioning of your reverse camera can impact the accuracy of the guidelines. Depending on its placement, you may have to tweak almost all of these settings to achieve a perfectly aligned and reliable reverse view. Take your time to make precise adjustments, ensuring that your guidelines provide the best possible assistance while reversing. A well-calibrated system makes parking safer and more convenient. If you're not interested in style 1, you can switch to style 2. In this mode, the space between the 2 lines is filled with a blue color, making it visually distinct. Despite this difference, the adjustment settings remain the same, allowing you to fine-tune the lines just like in style 1. However, I personally prefer the traditional reverse lines in style 1, as they offer a clearer and more familiar guiding system. After making all the necessary adjustments, take another look at the reverse view on your screen. You'll notice that the end of the reverse guideline is now perfectly aligned with the bottom of the yellow bottle. This confirms that the guideline accurately represents a 3-foot distance from the vehicle. With this setup, you can confidently judge the space behind you while reversing, reducing the risk of miscalculations and improving overall parking precision. By fine-tuning these settings, you ensure that your reverse camera provides a reliable and accurate visual guide, making reversing safer and more efficient. Based on my adjusted settings, I bring the vehicle to a stop. Now, you can see that there is enough space to ensure the safety of the vehicle. To verify the accuracy, we can check the actual distance between the car and the obstacle. And as you can see, the space closely matches the adjusted distance, confirming that our reverse guidelines are properly calibrated. With this setup, you can reverse with confidence, knowing that your vehicle has a safe margin from any obstacles behind. And that's how you perfectly adjust your reverse guidelines for accurate parking and safer reversing. With the right calibration, you can trust your reverse lines and maneuver with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more informative content. Stay tuned, and stay with SetNFix.